What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone had an amazing weekend and looking forward to Monday. So just want to give a shout out to all my subscribers so far. I'm loving the support. Thank you guys so much for all your feedback and everything, and I couldn't be happier with this. So thank you for everything, guys, and I'm happy that you guys can join me on this journey. Right, so today I want to keep this video quick and short because I just want to get right to the point. We have a few stocks to talk about along with earnings, because this week is heavily packed with earnings. All right, guys. So a lot of things happening this week, and I also want to just put something on your radar, which is we have February coming up. All right. So normally what happens is the stock market tends to do very, very good in the month of January. Okay, and we all know this because what is December, holiday season? All the companies are making good money because everyone's buying, and there's a big pump of it, right? And then earnings come out and a lot of companies do well because of this. And then January tends to be beautiful, right? And then what tends to happen after that is February will come around and the stock market will technically decline and it'll be bearish for a long time. And what you want to do is you want to manage your positions carefully as well. So just put that on your radar and make sure you're not too heavy in certain positions as well, okay? So let's just dive quickly right into the video. This week we have a lot of companies that are having their earnings come out, such as AMD, Tesla, Apple. Like these are big companies, right? So what I'm planning on doing is playing some options on some of these companies during a little run up they might have. So I'll give you one example. One of the option calls that I will be doing is for Apple. So there's gonna be a lot of hype around it this week, and a lot of people are gonna try to buy, get in. So I'm trying to do a quick little flip on Apple and maybe Tesla, but I'm not too fond of Tesla at the moment because it's up over 700% this year, and I just don't see it going. Yeah, it can go higher, of course, but I just don't want to take that risk because I do feel like people will start taking their profits and the stock will decline, right? So that's one of my options for this week, which is Apple. And strike price, I'll probably do 145 or even closer to being in the money. Don't want to go out the money, to be honest. So that's just my personal preference on this call out. So other than that, I just want to give you guys a update on two of our stocks, which is Golden Nugget Online Gaming and APXT. So let's just kind of dive into Golden Nugget a little bit and see what's going on. So it's kind of consolidating. If you guys can look at the chart, right? It's been consolidating for quite a long time now, maybe about a week or two, you can say, right? And after hours, it is down. It's around $20, which is another buying zone for this stock because I am long-term on it. This is not a stock that I plan on selling for a while. So I'm in no rush to kind of do anything with it. You can say I'm just gonna hold and let it do its thing, right? So price target's obviously around $30, still have that bubble set. So we'll move it a little bit down as well to kind of indicate where it's gonna be going in the future. But for now, it's in a buying zone. This line is a support. We all know it's around $19. So it has a chance and a possibility of obviously contesting this or testing this support. So just be mindful and have your alerts set if you guys plan on entering this stock. So be patient, and I just want to put this on your radar. Reason being, it is in a buy zone. Around $19 is beautiful. You want to pick it up in the 19s, of course, right? So that's one of the stocks I want to put on your watch list for this week as well. And this is just a little small article that kind of talks about the stock and everything, and they even the article is stating the facts. So what it says, fortunately for shareholders of GNOG stock, the group has been able to generate revenue, giving more faith to the street, which is Wall Street. However, it will likely be a bumpy ride for the shares in the midst of the earnings season, considering how far the stock has moved in a matter of months, meaning the whole merger happening and everything. Obviously, the stock went from $10 all the way to frigging 27, and then it came back down after everyone started taking profits. So bound to happen, nothing really to kind of trip out about. So, and then this is my point that I liked what they mentioned. Then the shares will possibly trade sideways for several weeks. And guess what's happening right here? So we might see a little bit more of sideways trading, you can say, right? Hit the support, go back up a little bit to maybe 23-ish, come back down. So I'm still bullish on it long term because the sports betting industry is ever growing so fast. So nothing to worry about, all right? So keep this on your radar for this week, and along with, one second, oops, APXT. So we'll check this out as well, all right? So just from our little basic trend line, basic setup, you can see it's kind of contesting our 21 EMA line. And what I'm gonna be seeing is this stock is going to basically bounce off this and go upwards, right? Reason being the merger is coming up February, right? But we don't have the exact date. Once the date is set by AvePoint, we're gonna have a lot more clarity in the stock's direction, okay? So keep an eye out on that. Just be patient, right? These are the stocks that when I put these ones out on your watch list, these are more of the stocks that have a higher chance of going up, and the research is kind of done in the background, right? So I'm not gonna be putting out stocks that I don't personally believe in. These are all stocks I believe in that will go up, and I'm obviously, like, I do have a position in all of these stocks as well, okay? So that's one of them. And my last stock that I just want to put on your radar, which I'll be taking a position this Monday. I don't want to pronounce the name, but the ticker symbol is TELL, all right? So it had a big run up this Friday of 60 cents. So this is a penny stock, because anything below 10 or $5, whatever you want to call it, you can call these penny stocks. So it's trading at around $3.30 right now. My entry point will be around $3.30 or $3.35. So that's where I'll be taking my position in it, and I'm going to be riding the wave up. Oh my gosh, sorry about the burps, guys. But so yeah, it is overbought quite a lot. So like, it's actually really overbought. So wait on a dip if you guys want, but this is a quick in and out play. You don't want to be holding this long term. I know it's gonna have a little run up because the earnings are coming out on February 22nd. All right, and they all tend to have a little run up during these times, right? So get in, get out. And I just want to say one more thing. If you guys see yourself in profit in any of the stocks, do not get greedy. Greed kills, and it will like literally just destroy your whole like building portfolio out and everything. So see profit, take your profit, and rinse and repeat, okay? Simple as that. So a very good stock to have on your list, and quick in and out, not long term for this one. The other two I mentioned, yes, a little bit longer term. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you guys on that. So other than that, I hope you guys are looking forward to this week, and it's gonna be a very, very like heavy week. It's gonna be green market. I feel like it's just gonna be out of the roof. But remember, February is right around the corner, and I'm expecting a downtrend, red days for days. All right, YouTube family. Hope you guys found this video very informative, and hopefully it helps you out this week. Definitely keep an eye on all those 3 stocks that I just put on your radar. And without further ado, if you found any of this information informative, or if I changed your view on the stock market or perspective, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as it really helps me out. And yeah, please subscribe, and that helps me out too. And let's grow this family, guys, and let's be a part of this journey. Road to 100K, right? So let's get it. And yeah, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Probably posted on Tuesday, so keep an eye out for that as well. All right, peace.